Hey everybody, and welcome to Your Florida Life. Today I'm really excited because I get to share with you a home that just hit the market in Lake Ajay Village. This is a really highly sought after area, just adjacent to the Lake Nona area and the medical campus that they put over there. Really amazing area, highly sought after. And this house is actually at a price point that makes it really easy to get in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you through and introduce you to the entire house and some of the features, and I hope you enjoy. Come along, and if you do want to learn more about the house or maybe come out and take a tour, I'll make sure that all of my contact info is listed below, so you can reach out to me, call me, text me, email me, and we'll get it set up for you. All right, let's get going. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start in the most obvious place, right out front. The home sits on 0.556 acres, so it's a little over a half an acre. Really beautiful lot. Love the great big oak tree out here that gives you a lot of great shade. The landscaping is really pretty. The roof was put on in 2018, so you don't need to worry about that. It's got a beautiful fence that's been put in, and we're gonna go ahead and go in. It's got a great driveway. This, actually, before we go in, I'll go over to the side here so you can see how the driveway comes around the side of the house. There's where you keep your trash, so it's out of the way. Brand new air conditioning, 2022, so that's a brand new unit. There is an RV gate right there that you can actually pull in. Now, it's probably more of a boat gate than it is an RV gate, because you do have a boat slip for the community that gets you into Lake Ajay. There's the oversized 2-car garage. The garage door is awesome, super quiet. I'll show you that here in a little bit. There's more of the roof. Again, that's less than 4 years old, done in 2018, and beautiful trees, mature, great shape. So let's go ahead and head inside. Got a nice wraparound sidewalk here. You got double doors, so you can actually open both of these. We'll go ahead and go in. What you're going to notice right off the bat, let that adjust for the light. So what you're going to notice immediately is you can see right through to the pool. This is a pool house. It's got, and we'll be out there in a little bit, but you walk into the formal dining room, formal living room. This has brand new carpet, brand new paint on the ceilings and the walls all throughout the house. Through there, we've got the kitchen and the great room. We've got bedrooms on this side. We've got bedrooms back through there. And then we've got the master on this side. In fact, we'll start over there. Before we even get there, we do have a closet right here at the front. And a nice transom. There's your door. And you walk into tile before you get into the carpet. And again, that's brand new carpet. So we walk into the master. The master's got the trade ceiling. It's got the sliding door out to the pool, ceiling fan. Again, fresh paint, all new carpet, all new ceiling paint. We've got his and hers closets, or hers and hers, or his and his, whatever it is. So I think this is the bigger of the two. And then the one on this side, a little bit smaller, not much though. And those flank the entrance into the bathroom. And as you come into the bath, you notice that the commode it's in its own room. It's got vinyl around that. This does have brand new carpet here. This is a full jacuzzi tub, so you can get some really nice relaxing evenings in the tub. Great enclosed shower. There's the split sinks, one on each side. And again, fresh paint all around. And as we come out of here, we go back into the main area, and we'll go down this other hallway over here. And as we get into this has tile here, and that tile leads out to the garage. This is your laundry room. It's got a basin here. The garage door opener is inside, so there's none of that fumbling for it out in the dark garage. It's right here, light switch, everything. There's an oversized 2-car garage. There's your electrical panel. There's the brand new air handler. and your water tank. There's a man door for the garage, and like I said, it's an oversized 2-car, and this garage door opener is super quiet. In fact, here, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the button for you. Just so you can see that it works, and just how quiet it is. It's really surprising how quiet that is. Put it back down. There we go. And you do have stairs that you can pull down right there. Give you attic access, so you do have storage up there. Come back out this way. And again, there's the main area. There's another entryway into the kitchen and the great room. And then back this way, they actually have a bedroom that's by itself. Really nice bathroom here. And a nice bedroom. All fresh paint. This one has 2 closets. We'll open those up so you can get a look at them. They're really nice sized closets. I'll open these up and then stand back. There you go. All right. Also, there's another linen closet right here in the hallway. There's the new thermostat. And then we can walk into the kitchen. You've got your range, your microwave, nice white cabinetry. Double side-by-side refrigerator, dishwasher, stainless steel sink, and the view to the pool. Got a nice big pantry here, so there's plenty of storage. And when I say big, I mean it's like a walk-in. Yes, it has its own light. So huge pantry, lots that can be done with that. And of course this is open, this is all tile in this area. Kitchen all the way, you got a little dinette area over here, and then your main great room area here with the vaulted ceilings. Very similar to the vaulted ceilings you have out in the main area. We've got slider windows here. You're gonna open these up side to side. Reminiscent of A-frame styling on the windows. Nice big picture windows so you can see that majestic oak out back. And this has got the solar tinting on it. So it really helps keep the sun out and it keeps it from doing damage in here and from heating it up. And then as we walk through this, we come back to this area. We've got another linen closet right here. There you go. And you've got 2 bedrooms back here. One here, one here. Both have fresh paint, ceilings, and walls. They also both have huge closets. I mean, these are almost walk-in. In fact, you probably could walk in here, but these are huge. You could definitely do a lot with the closets in both of these bedrooms. And these are nice sized rooms. You're going to notice that this one also has a pocket door that leads to the bathroom that these 2 share. There's the same kind of closet. Really huge, deep closets. And there's the pocket door. So you can go ahead and open that, or close that, sorry. Very nice, solid wood. We'll come back through here. Got double sinks here. We'll go back this way. And this also has a pocket door, so you can actually, somebody can be using the sinks and somebody else could be taking a shower. And then you also have access to the backyard from here. And as we come back out, we end up back out in the great room kitchen with the open concept here. So this is a really unique situation because even this is like a three-way split setup for the bedrooms, because you've got one back there, you've got two back here, and then you have the master on the other side of the house. So three distinct separate areas, each with their own bathroom. It's a really great setup and pretty unique. It's not a layout you see a whole lot. There are several new smoke alarms that have been installed as well, and they're all wired to the house. And I think what we'll do right now is we'll head on out to the pool. And as we come out to the pool area, you're going to notice there's the sliders off of the master, the sliders off of the main living area. We just walked through the sliders that come off of the great room. And beautiful pool. There's a nice covered area here where you can put your furniture. You can put in an outdoor kitchen here. You've got electricity run out here. The pool itself is completely enclosed with a bird cage, and all of the screen is in great shape. Take a look yourself. Got some plant hangers back in here. We've got irrigation for the planter so you can really put some cool stuff up in here, get a real nice tropical feel. The pool is in great shape. You've got fountains to help keep the pool aerated, and just a great ambiance. There is a doggy door built in, and you do have access from both sides, so you can go in and out on that side and over here. In fact, we'll go out on this side so we can get an idea take a look at the backyard. There's a bunch of the pool stuff, so your maintenance items, right? All your hoses, stuff like that, some of the chemicals. There's the pump and filter system working away, keeping things looking nice. There you can see that solar screening that's on the window there. Beautiful huge oak here. Huge oak here helps keep some of that sun out of here and keep the temperature down a bit. You've got a shed in the back and just a huge backyard you can do so much with. There's that gate I was talking about. You could pull in an RV, you could pull in a boat. Got some really cool trees back here. Got a lemon tree over there. There's a mango tree. There's some banana plants back here. It's just a beautiful backyard. And when everything's in bloom, it just looks amazing. Let me go back to the back corner here so you can get a better look from a distance. There's the lemon tree back there. Now this is set up so that if you wanted to put in a water reclamation system, you can. It's already got the downspout set and ready to go. The owners took that system with them to the new house, but it is available. The downspout is already there, ready for you if you wanted to set your own up. The fencing's in good shape. Yeah, it's a little overcast here today. We got the sun poking in and out of the clouds, but overall it's a really nice day. Nice winter day here in Florida. We'll go ahead and head back in. Got security lights, so those are motion activated. And here we are back in the great room in the kitchen. All right. And right back out front where we started. So every day when you come out your front door, this is what you get to see. A little bit of a wind kicking up there. A little something about Lake Ajay Village. They do have a boat slip that is available for you to use. It's a community boat slip. The HOA is $200 a quarter. Gives you access to that boat slip. It also gives you access to the pickleball courts, the tennis courts, the basketball courts, all of the great activities the community has on a consistent basis. And if you do your research, you'll find out that getting into Lake Ajay Village at this price point is unheard of. So the house is listed for $599. If you're interested in coming and take a look, I'll make sure all of the information to contact me to do so is in the description. You feel free to call me, email me, text me, whatever's easiest for you. Oh, you can actually get around on a golf cart. Look at that. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said, if you're interested in learning more about the house, just reach out. I'll be happy to share any information, additional pictures, or even come out and meet you here so you can take a look for yourself in person. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm looking forward to help you live your Florida life. We'll see you later.